Woo! All right. This there's a view of my rig. I barely made it up this steep ass driveway. It doesn't look steep, but it is. But that's one heavy ass little tractor for that truck. But this is a view of what I got, a bush hog all the way up to that trailer. All around this shit. All this shit around here and this shit around there. Yeah, so around that dog lot, all that crap. It's gonna be fun. Push all this shit out of the way. Yeah. Hey, today, this is where that big dog lot was. I chomped all that up, all the trash I moved down there. That's the giant pile of trash, and then there's another giant pile over there I picked up. But yeah, I did that. That log was in the middle. I guess I'll have to cut that up. But this is all the weed that I cut, 7 feet tall, around this tree. It's a big ass tree. And then that tree right there. I was cutting around here, but this is a big pile of bricks and blocks and rocks that somebody dumped. I don't know what to do with that yet. But look how nice this is. It's getting nice. Yeah, I still got a lot more cutting to do. All this is over. Well, somebody started dumping rock or block from jobs they got done. I don't know if the whole thing's like that, but maybe not. Maybe not. Rocks everywhere. But once I bust through this, it won't be that bad because see, it's all trees. I don't know how far my property goes, so I hope it don't catch this. But yeah, I got all that out with a push mower right there. Yeah, it's a nice little spot for a single wide trailer. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. There's a lot of brush. A lot of brush. This is where the trash starts. See, there's like years of. Ooh, there's a malt liquor bottle right there. But it's all beer bottles. So, you see that? Beer bottles. Some of the beer bottles. Beer bottle. I think I'll just push that over to the next property. But yeah, all the trash. All kinds of trash. If you can see it or not. All kinds of trash. All kinds of house trash. See? Getting there. They put a new meter. See, there's no breakers. Hey, how's it going? Anyway, with these burn barrels, the problem with these burn barrels is you just can't burn enough stuff in there. When you got a couple acres of brush to burn, this is just way too slow. So at one point, I had my friend come over. He's a burning expert, and he showed me how to burn giant piles safely. That's when I started doing that. I didn't really use this burn barrel but once. It was way too slow.